In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your story on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app, and you'll be on the home page. To delete your story, the first thing you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile. Now, if you've uploaded a story, tap on your profile icon at the top to view it. Once your story appears, look for the 3 horizontal lines underneath the comment button. Tap on those 3 horizontal lines, and a menu will pop up. You'll see options like Save Video, Privacy Settings, and Delete. Just tap on Delete. A message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the story. Tap on Delete, and your story has now been deleted. And that's it. Simple and straightforward. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.